About to be so cool.
We about to make it do what it do.
We about to make it do what it do, man. This is beautiful.
Because you know it's cool to be smart.
Man, it's cool to be smart. It's gonna be so fun.
You miss 100% of the shots that you never take. And I ain't gonna break. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get ready. It's about to go down. The ISH Foundation and its Cool to Be Smart movement partnered with McAdory Middle School and the PTA to conduct the Cool to Be Smart pep rally to boost confidence, reduce test anxiety, and build excitement for their upcoming ACAP test.
And it's called Larry Bell's 12 Powerful Words. And if you understand these 12 words, you will be able to pass any test.
Say evaluate. Evaluate. That means to judge its value or worth. Next word, explain. Say explain. Explain. And then we summarize. Say summarize.
The No Cap We ACAP pep rally consisted of a presentation on how to apply the strategies of the 12 powerful words in standardized testing, a No Cap quiz challenge, students versus teachers trivia game focused on testing terms and strategies.
What does it mean to judge its worth or value? Evaluate.
A special performance by Cool Mill, performing Hands Up and Freestyle by Anissa. A cap stack challenge, a brain power race with tons of Cool to Be Smart swag and prizes.
Cool to be smart.
You know what it is. Bam, bam.
It's cool to be what?
Cool to be smart.
It's cool to be smart. Appreciate y'all.
It was fun, but what I enjoyed most was probably the song. And to be around my friends, and to be like around everybody that I love.
We wanted to give the students a little extra, you know what I mean, to just get them motivated for taking the ACAP.
Here at McAdory, we believe in having fun socially with our students, as well as engaging them to reach their highest level of potential and excellence, and letting them know that it is cool to be smart.
This one-of-a-kind experience was absolutely amazing. You could see the excitement on the kids' faces. They had so much fun competing, learning, and dancing. This experience was truly one of a kind, and it let the kids know that it's cool to be smart.
The students were excited, they were pumped, the teachers were involved, and they were engaged, and we loved it.
So glad that it came to fruition, and we know that the kids had a great time, and looking forward to them making 3s and 4s on the ACAP, all the way straight from Alabama.
Okay, and it's what? And it's what?
It's cool to be smart.
This Cool to Be Smart documentary is now on Hoopla, and all you need to do is have a library card, and you can stream it anywhere, anytime, any day. Go check it out.